On Tuesday, Steve had an overdraft of $113 in his bank account. Steve ended with a final balance of $77 in his account on Wednesday. How much money did he deposit on Wednesday? All right, so let's think aloud. On Tuesday, Steve had an overdraft of $113. Well, I know overdraft is not a positive situation. It's actually a negative situation. An overdraft means that he owed the bank $113. At the end of the day on Wednesday, he had a positive balance of $77. So the question is, how much did he deposit on Wednesday? Deposit is also a positive situation because a deposit means to put money in your bank account. So the question is asking how much did he deposit on Wednesday? And in order to do that, we would actually have to make a vertical number line. With all number lines, you want to start with 0 in the middle. And then we want to think about what we started with. He had an overdraft of $113, so we're going to have an overdraft of $113. And then we ended with a positive balance of $77. So if I want to know how much money he deposited on Wednesday, I have to think about what happened between negative $113, and $77. So really what I want to understand is the total deposit, okay? Because I came from negative $113 and ended on positive $77. It looks like the total deposit would actually be the distance. And so when thinking about distance, it's probably best to use absolute value. So in order to solve this, I will find the absolute value of negative $113 and the absolute value of positive $77. The absolute value of negative $113 is $113, and the absolute value of positive $77 is $77, and together that will be $190. So Steve deposited $190 in his bank account. That satisfied the $113 that he owed and also left him with a $77 balance.